Within the last year, the barrier between technical skill and high-value output has collapsed. By using specific prompting structures, individuals are now capturing revenue streams that previously required a full team of developers and designers. Understanding how this works requires looking at the underlying mechanics. This is the step-by-step roadmap for turning Claude AI into a functional business engine. The engine behind this system is Claude. While many models produce generic text, Claude's architecture generates logically structured outputs. Businesses pay for time saved, quality content, and simplification of complex problems. Claude delivers all three. Profitability comes from acting as the bridge, taking raw machine output and refining it into a structured solution that meets a specific business need. To organize these opportunities, we use an income escalator, a three-tiered progression based on your scale and effort. The foundation is active cash flow. In this phase, you trade AI-assisted deliverables for immediate client payments. The peak is passive scale. This involves building digital assets once, allowing them to generate continuous revenue that is independent of your daily schedule. Success depends on pacing. Mastering the foundational skills at the bottom provides the exact prompt engineering experience required to automate the systems at the top. Level 1 begins with freelance content writing and copywriting. This is the fastest entry point because it requires zero upfront capital. Companies constantly need blog posts, product descriptions, and email sequences. You can generate these frameworks rapidly with Claude, add your own editorial layer, and offer them through established freelance marketplaces. A high-demand subset of this work is script writing for faceless YouTube channels. Many creators have the vision but lack the time to build the necessary narrative structures. The market rate for these scripts varies by complexity. A single structured script currently commands between 500 and 3,000 rupees, depending on its length and the depth of research required. These active tasks serve as a paid education. You are learning the limits and capabilities of the AI while getting paid to refine your prompts for the higher tiers. Level 2 moves into B2B consulting. Many small business owners lack the AI literacy required to implement these tools into their daily operations. You provide value by architecting their workflows. This includes using Claude to automate customer support responses, draft internal email templates, and organize daily operational reports. Compensation at this level is typically structured as a one-time setup fee for the initial system, or a recurring monthly retainer to manage and update the AI's integration. This transition moves your value from the content layer to the infrastructure layer. You are now selling the architecture that drives a business's internal efficiency. Level 3 is the peak of the escalator, building owned media channels and proprietary digital products. To build a faceless channel, you use Claude to engineer the foundational scripts, then combine them with AI voice and visual tools to create complete video assets. You can also package your prompting expertise into digital products, such as ebooks, workflow templates, or specialized prompt packs, and sell them through platforms like Gumroad or Instamojo. This model allows your revenue to scale exponentially. You invest the effort into a single creation block, which then generates sales nodes that operate 24/7. At this stage, your time is completely decoupled from your earnings. You have built a digital asset that generates value independently of your daily labor. This entire escalator collapses completely if you choose to ignore the 4 specific operational guardrails we will cover. Rule 1. Always manually edit the output. Relying on raw AI copy destroys your quality control and breaks the client's trust in your work. Rule 2. Maintain a single focus. Trying to build a freelance business and a consulting firm simultaneously creates a split focus that usually leads to 0 results. Rule 3. Build a portfolio of proof. Taking your first few projects at a lower rate is a strategic investment in the samples you need to secure high-paying contracts later. Rule 4. Commit to continuous learning. The tools are evolving every week. To maintain your edge, you must constantly test new features and prompting methodologies. Claude provides the leverage, but your human discipline and market awareness are what provide the actual value. That is the complete trajectory, from leveraging structured AI outputs to scaling through freelance work, B2B consulting, and automated digital products. The next step is execution. Select one entry point on the escalator that fits your current experience and begin the process today. The engine is ready. It is up to you to start driving. Subscribe for more strategic insights, and we'll see you in the next breakdown.